Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you a very quick video today, maybe 2 minutes long at the most, but what I want to get into is how to clean a thermal receipt printer. This is a direct thermal printer, does not have a ribbon, anything like that. It just has a print head in there that every time you change the roll, it's recommended that you clean the print head. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to get into the POSX thermal receipt printer and how to clean the print head. This is an 80 millimeter, 3¼ inch printer. So it's like the normal big receipt you get. It's not those small ones. And this doesn't have a ribbon. It has a print head in it. It's a direct thermal transfer. So the paper that you use, the image gets burnt into the receipt from the print head. And sometimes residue will build up on this. So what you do is you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button, and then you grab your rubbing alcohol, your cotton swab, dip that in there, and then you simply clean the print head right here. There's the tear bar, a little piece of metal for that, and then the print head. So you go ahead and you clean that. Clean any plastic that's around there that might have residue on there as well. Just rub it. This might get a little black. Just go ahead and kind of rotate it, clean it off. The print head is right, or the print roller is right here, so you can clean that piece as well, and then clean this bar up top. Those are the pieces you're going to want to clean to make sure you're getting the best image as possible out of your receipt printer. If you would, go ahead and put in the comments what printer you're using. I'm very curious as to what you guys are all using, if you're using POSX or Epson, maybe you're using Star Micronics. There's a cheapo off of Amazon and eBay. It's a POS 58 or something like that, or a POS 80. A lot of people are using that too. But it's the same. As long as it's a direct thermal transfer printer, it should be the same. The process of cleaning it will be the same. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video if you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.